In this video, we'll explore the concept of federated learning, its significance, and real-world applications. Federated learning is a novel approach to AI model training that enhances privacy and security by decentralizing data processing. What is federated learning? Privacy enhancement. This method enhances privacy by not requiring raw data to be shared with a central entity. Sensitive data remains on local devices, reducing the risk of data breaches. Plus, it complies with privacy regulations like GDPR, which mandates strict data handling practices. Real-world example: Google's predictive text algorithms. Google uses federated learning to enhance its predictive text algorithms on mobile devices. The predictive text feature learns from users' typing patterns to offer accurate word suggestions. Federated learning allows the model to improve based on user data without accessing the actual text typed by users. Federated learning strikes a balance between improving AI performance and maintaining user privacy. Users' typing data stays on their devices. Only model updates derived from local data are sent to Google's servers. Google aggregates these updates to refine the overall predictive text model, which is then redistributed to users. Conclusion: Federated learning is a promising approach to AI model training that enhances privacy and security by keeping data localized. With applications ranging from predictive text to healthcare and finance, federated learning offers a path forward for building powerful AI systems while respecting user privacy. As technology evolves, federated learning will continue to play a crucial role in the responsible development of AI. Stay tuned for more insights into cutting-edge AI technologies and their implications for our digital future.